Microphone check. 1, 2. I gotta set some things up. Hold up. I don't even have my chat windows up. Give me 1 second. I didn't even set my timer on, man. Jesus. All right, there we go. There we go. Stream to de-stream. What's happening? Control, Alt, Scalderon. What's happening? How are you doing? When is the Peloton arriving? It's coming on Friday, man. So we'll see how that goes. How are y'all doing? I gotta get my YouTube chat out there. So many dang windows to set up before I stream. My get ready for the stream ritual takes like, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes. Conolid, how you doing? Yeah, maybe about 15-20 minutes. Oh, Yevenji Claus from YouTube. What's happening? How are you doing? Welcome. How long did it take to do your makeup? Man, it takes me, like, sometimes I'll brush my hair or I'll do my hair up a little bit more. So I'd say maybe like 5-10 minutes, Conolid, to do my hair and makeup. Q Ultimus, welcome to the party. How are you doing, Q? How are your hours looking these days, Q? Are you generally free on Wednesdays, but not on Mondays, or what? All right, let's just chill for a little bit. So I'm gonna be like in and out. I've been saying this in my last few streams, but I'm gonna be like in and out of streaming over the next couple months. I have lots of traveling going on and lots of things going on in my life, like life events happening. So like this month I'll be going to Switzerland again for like a week or more, and then right after that, sometime in June, I'll be traveling again, and maybe like July, August, I might be moving. Probably in August I'll be moving to a new place. So I'm hoping like maybe mid to late September I'll resume like normal streaming schedule. But until then it's gonna be a little bit hairy. Barbados? Man, I've never been to Barbados in my life. Will you travel alone? Sometimes I travel alone. Bess, what's happened? I'm not traveling alone to Switzerland. And yeah. Well. Oh dang, they're gonna hit us with the ads already. It says ad break starts in 1 minute. But you already know, if you don't want ads, you know where to go. You go to that dang YouTube. Hamdi 1010 in the house. What's happened, Hamdi? Oh look, should I just start the thing or should I wait till the ad break is over? Ad break starts in 30 seconds. Yeah, maybe after the ad break I'll get things rolling. Until then, I guess we'll just chill out for a little bit. Yeah, how's everyone been? How's the LeetCoding been going for everyone? Does everyone like practice LeetCode consistently? Is that why you're here at this stream? Or are you like, you know you should LeetCode, but you're not doing it, so you turn on the stream to watch someone else LeetCode and it makes you feel productive? Or what, you know? I'm kind of curious what everyone does. One new problem every single day. Gims. That is crazy. I at least try to do the daily. Conolid. Yeah, I try and do that too, but man, I always forget to do the daily whenever I don't stream. Haven't started need... Wait, what? Haven't started need to again? I'm butt cheeks right now. Oh, I see. I see what you mean. Sort of practicing need a job first though. Oh, best. Wouldn't practicing lead to the job? Well, at least if you're targeting big tech. You will not reach Guardian with this many travels. Man, I know. I gotta like buckle down on my studies, man. But I don't know, man. I guess Guardian isn't like the most important thing in my life. It is important, but sometimes I gotta prioritize other things. I LeetCode throughout the day when I have free time, come to watch stream, even if I have other stuff going on, because this helps me learn, and hanging out with like-minded people is amazing. That's very nice to hear, Q. Yeah, I think if I want to reach Guardian, man, I have to either like study more or study more. I don't think there's any ways around that. We'll see. I think I'm close, man. Or get lucky. Yeah, we gotta get lucky. I think I'm pretty close. I just need to do more hard problems. So I think if I spend like the rest of the year just doing hard problems, maybe I'll get Guardian soon. Graduating and everyone rejects my resume. Barely any OAs. Dang. Have you tried like modifying your resume, OBS? Well, I don't know what it's like out there these days. I haven't applied to anything, so... But I read everywhere that it's pretty bad. Anyways, I think it's time to get the party started. Halo Boy 777, welcome to the party. It's bad. Oh man, what the hell? I'm on Steam. Get that shit out of here. I've been playing Hades, man. I just bought that shit last night. Was it last night? Yeah, I tried it. Or no. Was it last night, man? Yeah, I think I bought it last night. I'm liking it so far. Maybe I should be studying instead of playing Hades though. I don't know. All right, here we go. Daily problem time. Guardians don't be on Steam. Well, I ain't a Guardian yet, man. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Should I reset this? Maximize happiness of selected children. Let me see when I solved it. Submissions. Man, I just solved this. I suppose 2 months ago I should probably just redo it, huh? Man, was it really necessary to have like a drag and drop UI for LeetCode? Is that what they're spending all their engineering time on, is making the UI draggable and droppable and rearrangeable? I think that's the biggest waste of time, man. Whoever is on LeetCode and they decided to prioritize that over everything else, it's like, man, they need to think about some other things. I don't know. All right. You're given an array happiness of length n and a positive integer k. There are n children standing in a queue where the ith child has happiness value happiness I. You want to select k children from these n children in k turns. In each turn, when you select a child, the happiness value of all the children that have not been selected till now decreases by 1. Note that the happiness value cannot become negative and gets decremented only if it is positive. Return the maximum sum of the happiness values of the selected children you can achieve by selecting k children. I remember this problem. It was on a dang contest. And I had a dumb error on it. But let me see. Oh, look at that. Long. We gotta make sure we don't overflow. Good morning, Poof. Welcome. How you doing? How's work and studying? Busy, I assume. Yeah, it's busy for sure, man. It was my first Q2 I ever solved in a contest. Yeah, I do remember it too. Work and studying and streaming. Well, I say studying and streaming is one because I don't study off stream. So I guess work and studying is definitely busy, man. And then like editing videos and trying to do that, it's like I got almost no free time because the free time I do have, I spend it playing video games and stuff. Oh, long, man. All right, let's solve this problem real quick. So I don't know what they're asking fully yet, but so we have all these things, k equals 2. So we want to pick 2 things, and the answer is 4 because we pick the 3, and then we pick the 1, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. All right, here we go. So I suppose we should like have like how many picked, and then maybe I'll put everything into a priority queue where I suppose the largest number should be on top. I don't know which one that is. I think it's just this one. Can I construct it like happiness begin, happiness end? And then we just want k children, so let's go until k, and we'll take the top. Should I call it top? Yeah, I'm gonna call it top. And then we add that to our answer, which is long, man. Man, this variable name sucks because it's like, what do you call it when it's like snake case plus capitalized every letter case? Hard to type, man. So what are we adding? We're adding the top minus how many picked. But I guess if this is 0, then it should not, like, maybe I should do this. And then I'm like, if this is greater than 0, then add it. And then we just return long, man. Snake camel, mans. Beirut, what's happening? All right, so this is what I'm thinking for this problem. So we create a priority queue. I don't even know if a priority queue is necessary here. We could just sort the thing and then iterate from the largest going forward. But priority queue is just easier for me to type. And then we go k times, we get the biggest thing, and the actual value is Dang, that was loud, man. Hector HSC. What's happening, Hector? Thank you very much. Man, I really gotta give you a dang diamond or something. But I'll do that. When should I do that? I'll do that after the stream. Hector HSC, how many diamonds do you got, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 diamonds, man. Ballin'. Thank you very much, Hector. Alright, so, man, should I just send this? I'm pretty sure it will work. Maybe we should have bet or something. No, lordy. What the hell, man? K equals 2. So it's like, how did I get 5? Come on, man. I forgot to increment that. Think it might be the same bug I had last time. Yeah, maybe. Jesus Christ, man. Hey, how did I pass 100 and something test cases, though? That was wild, huh? That's some of the wildest things I've ever seen. Like... Anyways, that thing is clearly wrong. No way I passed 100 test cases with that. Bet Simp in the house. What's happened, Bet Simp? What is poppin', man? Alright, daily problem out the way. Should I post it? Or what? Oh, Glump! Thank you very much for the raid. I was lurking. I was lurking in everybody's stream earlier. I was lurking in Bet Simp's stream. I was lurking in Glump's stream. Y'all talking about segment trees or something. I was lurking in the real Raymond Jones stream. I try to lurk whenever I'm at work. I try and like at least get a little one viewer to everyone who's streaming, you know. Keeping up with the Raymond Joneses. Yeah. He's going at it, man. He's about to get hired, man. Anyways, I don't know what to do now. Do I do some zero tracks? Or what? You watch hockey? DJ Girth, welcome to the party. Do I watch hockey? Hockey? I don't even know anything about hockey. Man. Woe be gone. What's happened? Is this ranked coding? What do you mean ranked coding? I'm just practicing LeetCode right now. Let's see. Should I do some zero tracks or should I do LeetRooms? I don't feel too productive in the LeetRooms. I'm not gonna lie, man. Maybe I should hit like a 17 to 1800 and then just keep moving up every problem I solve. Man, why is it? All right, 1753. Let's start with that. Largest plus sign or valid palindrome 3. Man, I've been thinking about that dang palindrome problem we got on Monday, that hard one. Well, I haven't been thinking too hard, but I remember like Brett shared his solution and I didn't understand it at all, man. But as I'm going about like my day and stuff, I'm thinking about Brett's solution. I'm like, yeah, I think I understand it. Even though I didn't really look back at his solution, I just kind of remembered what he did. I think it makes a little bit of sense now. Dang, that's a premium problem. I've already solved this one. Let me see when I've solved it. 6 months ago. I've also, yeah, I think I don't need to do this one. Let's choose a different one. 1729. Probably done this too. Count vowels permutations. 2 times solve. Well, I have never solved this cleanly, so maybe I'll try it again. No, I've done this so many times, man. I'm not doing this problem. Jeez. Why? I think I've done like all the problems in this range. Solve this one too, man. Jesus Christ. Let me see when I solved it though. Oh, dang, I struggled on this one. It's only a month ago. Man, 23%. Should I redo this one? Nah, let's choose something fresh, man. Suffering from success? I don't think so. Low road sim racing. What's happening? All right, for sure, we can do this one, man. Ciphertext, what's happening? If you had time for one LeetCode question to practice before an interview, which one would you choose? That depends on what your biggest weakness is, man. I think I'd choose the one that I can't do, like a problem that I'm not comfortable with, or like a technique. So if I sucked at graphs, I'd do a graph problem. If I sucked at DFS, I'd do a DFS problem. If I didn't know topological sort, I'll probably hit a top sort. So that's what I'd do. But I would not do a DP problem, that's for sure. Maybe if I struggle with backtracking, I'll do a backtracking problem. Also, I think it depends on where you're interviewing, because maybe I'd do like try and find problems from that company and just do one of those. I know there's not a clear-cut answer, but what rating do you feel you are good enough to pass your Google interview? Good morning, Poof. I'd say when I was around a night, I felt comfortable. And I actually got my night badge right before I did my interview. Twosome, Fizzbuzz. I guess if you can't do twosome or Fizzbuzz, you should probably know how to do those for sure. Been mega sick for a few weeks, dealing with multiple infections right now. Just want to pop in and say hi before I go sleep again. Low road sim racing, man. I'm sorry to hear that you're doing so terrible right now. Thanks for stopping by, man. Hopefully you get better soon. Let us know how it goes, man. Whenever, dang, that's loud too. Whenever you're feeling good, man, let us know. Fenwick tree problem? Nah, come on now. All right, type racer time. But first, let me pull up this problem so I don't lose it. Oh, I didn't do this one, man. This is a fresh problem. We're gonna do this one after the type racer. No condom, Chris. How is it going, man? Are you ready for some bets? Who's here for the type racer? Anybody? All right, Q's here. I'm trying to figure out what type of bets we should do, you know. Should we do a max of Q and me versus no condom Chris? Let's do that. Bet real quick. So, man, where's Smart Coder at? We could do a 2v2. All right, I guess we'll do the max of us greater than NCC. All right, here we go. Place your bets. You have 2 minutes to decide, man. 2 minutes. So the maximums, like whose ever WPMs is higher is greater than No Condom Chris. That is what we're gonna bet on. No Condom Chris is faster than both of us, but every now and then we're faster, you know. Place those bets, man. Dang, $20,000. And if you're in the dang type racer, make sure you gotta log in. SM123 in the house, six pack sexy also here. Q has entered the building. Very nice. All right, here we go. The first race is a warm-up. The second race is the championship round. Here, oh, Icy Black Deep trying to get that 69 WPMs. And Shandon Codes, thank you very much for the follow. And Zinka, thank you very much for the follow. Dang, 128. Dang, SM with the 106. Guest with a 100. Q, we're gonna have to step it up, man. Yeah, NCC. No Condom Chris is too fast. I swear, No Condom Chris has gotten so much faster since I first met him. Anyways, championship round. Here we go. Zinko, what's happened? Faster than you. Yeah, NCC, aka Six Pack Sexy, is one of the fastest typers out here. Bad grammar, that semicolon should be a colon. I don't even remember it. All right, here we go. Championship round. Whoever wins this race is gonna be the type racer champ. Here we go, man. Not fast enough, but Q is fast enough, man. Easy work. $20,000 just like that down the drain for NCC and in the pockets of Q Ultimus and Hamdi. And if Icy Black Deep had a little bit more confidence, he would have been rich too, man. Dang, SM losing that big money, man. Jesus Christ. All right, what was that? 106? It's going good. Working on scrollable tabs with Shad CN components. What? Finally got it to work the way I want. Nice. I don't know much about scrollable tabs, but sounds good. Feels good to be first, yeah. All right, let me choose this bet. Who's gonna win? Me and Q, we're gonna win. Easy work for Q. All right, now let me put the type racer champ of today. Here we go. I gotta update this dang website one of these days. I've been saying that for years. I haven't done anything. I've been saying a lot of things for years. Q Ultimas at 106. 106. Anybody used to watch 106 in Park? Freestyle Fridays, man. I used to watch that all the time. Anyways. Probably sounds absurd out of context. Oh, Mimosa Shin. What's happening? 106 and Park. Oh, I am Wizard IRL. Thank you very much for the Prime. I gotta add you on the board, man. I am Wizard. Here we go. Where you at? Where you at? Where am I at? Thank you very much. I am Wizard IRL. Look at that. Our latest Algo Junkie in 2024 is I am Wizard IRL. Alright, here we go, man. I like your keyboard. Thank you very much. I like it too. It's my favorite keyboard. Doesn't sound familiar. Q. What? You don't know about that. I want a sign like that. Glump. I don't know where my girlfriend bought me that sign. Maybe she can tell you where she got it. If she's around. Alright. What were we doing? We're gonna do this problem here. Yeah, this was it this one? Find special substring that occurs thrice. Here we go. You're given a string S that consists of lowercase English letters. A string is called special if it is made up of only a single character. For example, the string ABC is not special, whereas the strings D, DD, ZZ, and F are special. Return the length of the longest special substring of S, which occurs at least thrice, or -1 if no special substring occurs at least thrice. A substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. Man, how am I supposed to get this one, man? Got it on Amazon. There you go. They have a bunch of different, yeah, so many. Put my girlfriend on stream? Nah, I don't think she wants none of that smoke, man. Custom text is sick. Is it custom text? I didn't even notice. Injinson, thank you very much for the follow. Man, longest thing that appears thrice. So that means, what does that mean, man? That means it's like the longest streak of a single character in the string -2, or 1, right? Kaishin15, thank you very much for the follow. Star Legend God, what's happening? Welcome to the party. Hey, is it bad that I plan out LeetCode approach on my iPad, or I'm good? I don't know if it's bad practice to do so. I think that's fine, man. But I deliberately tried to plan out my LeetCode approach on the dang editor that I'm working with, because during an interview, like maybe they can't see your iPad, or they can't see some other screen that you're drawing on. So I practice like trying to write down my thoughts in ASCII so that during an interview, I would have all my notes in the same place as my code, and then people can read the notes and whatnot to see my thought process. But I don't think it's terrible that you do that. Anyways, so I'm thinking like it's the longest streak -2 because we need it to appear 3 times. So maybe we can get like, so a streak of 4, you could get AA, AA, or AA. So like a streak of maybe 5, we could get AAA right there. We could also get AAA there. Then we could get it there. I think that's what this is, but I don't know for sure. Putting your pseudocode in the LeetCode itself is a good idea for sure. Let them see how your brain works. Yeah, in an interview, you definitely want to like try to talk out your thought process and draw diagrams or whatever. Like, so I try and do that with, I mean, I don't do it that much when I'm streaming, but I try and do things like, you know, draw out things like that. But I'm just gonna go into implementing this one. So I suppose I should just find my maximum streak. I call it best. And then, how do I do this, man? So I'll just iterate through. And if this is equal to the previous, then I'll increment my streak. Otherwise, if I reset my streak to 1. And then, what do I say? Is it just best -2? But then if it's less than 3, then it should just be 1. Oh, wait. What if it doesn't occur? Oh, if it's less than 3, then we should return like negative. Oh, man. Hold on. I got to think this through. I hate ads. Yeah, I don't like ads either. But I'm forced to have them. Ads come up at the word. Oh, man. If y'all having ads, man, no ads on YouTube. Man, it didn't even tell me. Did it? How long took you to get your first job? Omar X Gashi, what's happening? My first job? I assume you mean like my first tech job. That's tough for me to answer because I'm not from a traditional background. I did a lot of freelancing and stuff like that before I got a job. So I freelanced for like 6, 7, maybe 8 years, 6 years maybe before I got my first, let me see. I freelanced for 6 or 7 years before I got my first job, like salary job. And yeah, that's about it. But I studied LeetCode for like almost 2 years before I got my first LeetCode job. All right. Man, so I'm thinking like this might be tricky because I feel like there's a lot of edge cases here, man. Like this one where A occurs 3 times. So maybe, all right, maybe I need some other stuff here. I'll call this my frequency map. Maybe instead of incrementing a streak, I will build a string. How do I do this, man? I don't even know how to clear a string. So maybe I want to like increment the counts here. And then my answer is going to be either the longest string that occurs at least 3 times, or if it doesn't occur 3 times, then it's the length minus 2. All right, that's what I'm thinking. So let me iterate over my what should I call this, word? Or I'm gonna say S. So then if the count is greater than or equal to 3, then maybe I don't need this part. Then my best is this. Do I need to cast this to an int? I don't even know, but I'll do it anyways. Mean in the tech industry from the first day you started learning programming. Yeah, so then, man, I started learning programming December 2013. And I got my first like salary job maybe like September 2020. All right, so then if the count is less than 3, then what do we do? Hold on, let me just do some things here. Then, man, what do we do? Maybe some junk like that. And then I can just turn best. All right, I think this, look at that, 33% accept rate. I think I have a chance, man. Oh wait, but -1. Otherwise, I don't think I cover this part. So I guess if this thing is 0, then should I use a ternary? Then it should be -1. Asia C Mac, what's happening? You ordered a what? I ordered a Peloton, a dang bicycle. I got the Bike Plus, and it arrives on Friday. Yeah, it's fancy. Oh Lord, it's not working. Wait, how'd I get? Oh man, I see what's happening. I see what's happening. Not Bike Plus Plus? Yeah, I don't think they got dang Bike Plus Plus yet. A. Oh, wait. So many bugs here, man. Oh. This is not great code, but I think it might be okay, man. First person to buy a Peloton but can't ride a bicycle. Maybe that's why I bought one. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing here. So what is happening, man? Like this first one. All right. I gotta do some debugging here. Jesus. If I fall a few times, nah, I'm not gonna fall. Look at that. A. Oh wait, maybe. Okay. All right, maybe this will fix it. This is some really bad code, but I think it's all right. No, come on, man. Come on. How are they gonna do me like that, man? How? All right. All right, I don't know how to deal with this part. I don't know how to deal with this. Let me think, man. A. So it's 1 because A occurs 3 times there. Man. Wonder if I should just, can I just increment that every single time? Will that work? Let me try it. Looks promising. Oh, I didn't even take out my dang C outs. But it's still wrong, man. It's still wrong. Because maybe that gets double counted right there. No, man. Jesus Christ. This problem is too hard for me. Let me think. Orion PT, what's happening? I'm struggling on this problem right now. Super struggling, man. All right, let me check this out. So AADA. It's not working because I got AA1 and A2. Is this, oh man, do I have to like, I have some ideas, but they're kind of crazy. I wonder if I gotta check. So So if I just popped one thing off here and I check the count of the previous one, then maybe I can build the previous one, you know. Let me try some crazy things like that. Nah, I don't know what to do. I actually don't know what to do for this dang problem, man. But can I even do that, man? So I just like check the count of the previous and it's 2. So then it's like, if that's 2, or I guess if it's 1, then this one can be okay as well. Clunky Lion, thank you very much for the follow. If A is followed by A, does it count as AA but not as A? Yeah, it should be both, which is what makes it kind of weird for me. Jesus Christ, what do I do? What do I do? Do I have to make a copy if I want to like modify it? So if there's at least 1 in there, then maybe I can do that. When in doubt, recurse and TLE. Man, I'm about to look at some hints for this problem. 2? How am I gonna get 2, man? Oh, because it's not this. It's copy dot length. But then I have to cast that to an int. But then the first one doesn't work now, man. How the hell? Alright, maybe it should be greater than 2. Well, I actually don't know. I'm about to look at the answer, man. I'm about to send this first, though. TLE. What? I've written some crazy code that doesn't look very nice. I don't even know what this error is. Oh, Jesus. I can't solve this problem, man. All right. I like don't know what to do. Let me think. I wonder if this part, maybe I should just like put that thing here. And then do something there. Let me see what this would look like. Guardians don't give up? Man, I ain't no guardian though. Alright, I still can't get this test case. Jesus, why is this problem so hard? A. I'm gonna put that back to 1. Alright. This might be it, man. If this ain't it, I'm giving up for sure. Come on, man. I'm giving up for sure now. How the hell? What the hell is this? How come I didn't catch that, man? I should have caught this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. How the hell, man? Alright, one more chance. Don't give up, you'll get it? I don't know. Yo, what is going on? What the hell is going on, man? Increment that. Why is my map missing all those H's? It's missing all those B's. Something crazy is happening right now. I'm missing that A. Alright, let me see what kind of junk I wrote here. So you reset. Built, so it's A now. A's not even in there. How come A is not in there, man? It's not equal. C's not in there. Nothing is in there, man. Look at that, man. All that stuff is in there. But then it's not in there in my map. So something crazy is happening that I can't figure out what's going on. I wonder if it has something to do with like this part here. Let me see something. Because I don't know what's happening. Man. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna take that off and see if I can make a difference. I don't know what to do, man. Not gonna lie. No ideas like what's happening here. Something strange is happening though. Like my frequency map is just tripping right now. What the hell is going on, man? So now it passes, but when I have this, it doesn't pass. I don't know. I don't even, so I'm about to give up though, I think. I'm about to give up, man. It's like, how come something crazy is happening within whatever junk I got going on here. Let me just look at the answer, because I've been on this problem for far too long, man. Let length I be the length of the longest special string ending with that character. I don't know what to do for this one. I feel I have some super strange things happening in my map, and I'd like to figure out what is going on. But I don't know, like, how to debug this junk ass code. That's the problem, man. Jeez, what did I press? Longest streaks for each character is what the hint said. Yeah, I didn't really process what the hint said, I'm not gonna lie. So it says if I is greater than 0 and the current is equal to the previous, then the length I equals to the previous plus 1, otherwise it's equal to 1. Group all length I. Okay. Find the maximum value of the third largest length I in each group is the answer. I get what they're saying, man, but that's crazy. Should I try and implement that? Ep14, what's happened? Nice crop top, man. I don't know why you keep talking about crop tops, man. Don't defense and smart coder, welcome to the party. I'm absolutely getting destroyed by this problem. But I read all the hints, so now I think I can solve it after reading all the hints. How's the Peloton treating you? No, man, I haven't gotten that Peloton yet. So they're saying if the previous is equal to the current, then this is equal to that. Otherwise, I was kind of doing this, but in a weird way. Just the brute force, welcome to the party. No ads on the YouTube. All right, so they're saying group all the lengths by the character. How do I do that, man? I guess I can make unordered map from character to something like that. That's what they want, man. And then I iterate through them. I guess I should sort this. Definitely not Chad. What's happening? Let's go invert a binary tree using binary language. I don't know if I can do that, man. So they're saying third largest len I in each group. The third largest in each group. Well, I should reverse sort, but then only if I'm just like typing out their hints, man. I don't really, this is not my solution, you know. Oh, from YouTube, Shipla Gupta, welcome to the party. YouTube UI, live UI is garbage. Yeah, I don't know anything about YouTube, but I'm ready to move on with my life from this problem, man. This problem was tough. I had to read every single answer or every single hint, and then I had to just code what the hints told me to do. Pretty sure it's Shilpa. Wait, what did I say? Did I not say Shilpa? Shiplo, maybe? My bad. Anyways, this problem gave me big troubles. This feels harder than whatever they said it was rated. 1772? Yeah, right, man. That felt like a 1900 problem or something. At least. Alright, should we go on? Should we continue the training? We hit a dang 1833, or should I just bump it to like... I think I gotta start doing harder problems, man. I'm already like 2K, so maybe I should do 1900 right now. 1957. Malik, what's happened? How long you been streaming for? I've been streaming for since June 21. Or if you mean how long, 1 hour 11 minutes apparently for this session. Alright. Next dang problem is gonna be, Jesus Christ, I'm not ready for XORs. But I gotta train everything. Oh, have I solved it? I have not solved it. And I'm not sure if I can solve it. I'm gonna skip this one because I've attempted it, it seems. And I just couldn't figure it out. And that acceptance rate looks suspicious, man. I don't know what to do, if I should try it or if I should try it. Man, these problems too hard for me. 2392 or 2564. Which one do you think I should try? Dang, Q4s or Q3. Substring XOR. Let me see, did I do this contest, man? I might not have. When was this? Did it say what the date of the contest was? Anyways, alright, substring XOR. Let's read. You are given a binary string s and a 2D integer array queries, where queries I equal first, second. For the ith query, find the shortest substring of s whose decimal value yields second when bitwise XOR'd with first. In other words, val XOR first is equal to second. To answer the ith query, or the answer to the ith query, is the endpoints of the substring left, right, or -1, -1 if no such substring exists. If there are multiple answers, choose the one with the minimum left. Return an array ants, where ants I equal left, right is the answer to the ith query. Dang. Alright, let's see what the hell they're asking, man. Problems scare me. I am not ready for this type of smoke. Alright, so 0223 should be the answer. How the hell are we gonna get that, man? Zero two. So I'm saying, I don't even really know what they're asking. So this is a binary string, and something XOR'd with this gives us the second. So let me put some binary things here. I guess so. 1 0 1, that's 5. 5 XOR'd with 0 would be itself, right? So do I just like XOR these two things? So like in this case, 1 2. 1 1 2 is like, that's 1. Oops. And then that's 2. So if I just, so like 1 XOR'd with something else should give us 2. And that would be 3, right? So like, I guess we just XOR these two, and that's our target that we're looking for. And they say it's 2 3 right here. That's a 3. So we're just looking for, choose the one with the minimal left. Okay, maybe I can actually do this, man. I have some ideas. I think this, man, how do I, is this a prefix sum or what? Let me think about that. So if I just took, like, how do I know that this substring is equal to 3? I don't know. But let me try to calculate the sum here. So that's 1 1. Hold on. So it'll go like 1 2 4 8. So this would be 1 1. And now this is set, so it's like 4 plus 1. It's like 5. And then this is set, so it's like 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 13. And then 32 plus 13 is 45. Nah, that doesn't make sense, right? No, that doesn't make sense. How do I know that this is 3, man? So I'm looking for a target of 3. But I don't know how to get it, man. Like in this one, we're looking for a target of 5. So we have 1 5 there and 1 5 there. And there must be a way where we can do that. Steven Sagiball, what's happening? An Airbnb in New York for a week is $3K. Is that normal? That sounds about right, man. But I think Airbnbs are banned in New York, man. Maybe you wanna just go to a regular ass hotel. Hotels are more, man, there's some cheaper ones. When I was here and I was looking for like apartments and stuff, I stayed in the pod. I sleep on your couch, man. I don't know about all that. Unknown or uncone, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Man, Steven Sagiball, I don't know if you have access to things, but there's something called, man, maybe I shouldn't talk about this on stream. But if you have access, yeah, I'll DM you. But there's like an internal group at work where you can like rent out people's places, and it's pretty active. Stay outside Manhattan, take the train. Yeah, there's some groups, man. There's some groups out there, man. Anyways, how the hell do I know that this is 3? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Or just get work to pay for it, yeah. You gotta have a reason to travel though. I once worked out of the New York office for a week. Yeah, man, if you're, well, I guess you might not have a business reason to travel, but there are tons of people. Just, I'll DM you, man. Shandon Codes. Don't you work at Big G now? Yeah, I do. Man, I'll DM you right now, Steven Sagiball, before I forget. Yeah, I don't know if you can join the same groups I can, but there it is. All right, so how do I find a target, man? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Vin Sin from YouTube, what's happening? How do you come back to coding after some break? I mean, I'm not that confident after not LeetCoding for 2 weeks during my end semester. Yeah, I haven't LeetCoded in like 10 days and I feel super rusty, but it comes back to you after like a few days of training, man. So you just gotta get back in there. You gotta get back in the game. But if you stop training, it's really hard to get back in the groove. So I try not to stop training unless I have to, you know. And not just training LeetCode, but like streaming and everything else. If I stop streaming for a bit, I don't feel like to stream anymore when I'm back from my break. The Mitz Bear finally got a dev job in this market. Congrats, man. That is great news. I've been following you on my personal Twitch for quite a while, like back before you landed the G job. Dang, you're an old school person then. Wait, what do you mean on your personal Twitch? What is this, your personal Twitch? All right, I don't know what to do for real. Should I read a hint or what? Like how do I know that? I don't know, man. I mean, S length is really long. So I feel like that prefix something is definitely not gonna work. I wonder if I guess once we know our target. But there's so many queries, man. There's 10 to the 5th. I was gonna say if we know the target, then we know how many digits it is. And then we can like slide a window. But I think that will TLE. Auto mods on a tear today? Wait, what? So I stream on this one, I lurk on my other account. I see. It was the first Twitch account I had and the one I engage with the most. Streaming codes because I have not streamed in like a year. What were you streaming? I guess you're streaming LeetCode or something? What the hell is going on here? Who's pressing that button? When people press buttons, does it show up or is that just tripping right now, man? Somebody's going nuts over there. All right. I think I don't have any clue what to do. Like how do I search this binary string for the target that I'm looking for? I think that is the main problem I'm having right now. And I just don't know how to do it, man. Oh, Ep14 on YouTube. What's happening? I don't LeetCode. Dang. You don't LeetCode. That's crazy. I stream other coding projects I'm working on. Usually small projects I ship quickly. Nice. I haven't worked on a project in so many years, man. Oh, wait. Icy Black Deep. I see what you're saying about auto mod. I just seen that. It's like normal Twitch or personal Twitch. What? Throwing hearts at you. Hepta5 or Hepta12. Thank you very much. 1101 shifted right twice will be 3. All right, let me think. There must be a way to know that there is a dang Should I read a hint, man? I'm gonna read one hint. Pankaj, welcome to the party. Hepta is the only guy who moved from Twitch to YouTube. Nah, come on now. You do not need to consider substrings having lengths greater than 30. Huh. Interesting hint. Interesting hint. I mean, as I understand why. That hint means nothing to me. I don't get it. It means that the numbers that we get here in first and second, it's only up to 1 billion. And then since this is a binary string, like you don't need more than 30 bits to represent 1 billion. So the target will never be greater than 1 billion or so. So that means the binary string you're looking for will be like 30 bits or less. But I still don't know how to find something efficiently without... Oh, wait. Nah. There's 10,000. Jesus Christ, I don't know. Researty, what's happening? I'm lucky enough to never have gotten a LeetCode question on any of my jobs after my first. I've been headhunted with no whiteboarding, just behavioral. How do you get headhunted, man? That's, give us some tips. How do you do that? All right, I'm gonna read another hint. Pre-process all substrings. Dang, that's gnarly. I guess it makes sense a little bit. A little bit. So man, how do I generate all substrings length not greater than 30? I guess that's I don't know. Most of my jobs have pretty much fallen into my lap, all coinciding with me coming back to Jesus. So I credit God with all my blessings. Interesting. So where do you work now? Like, what kind of job do you have now? Do you get paid big bucks? I guess that's the real question, man. Is it like Fang equivalent TC that you got over there? Because that's why we LeetCode, man. We LeetCode to get the big offers, I suppose. All right, pre-process all substrings no greater than 30. I don't know how to do that. 120K with 1 year of experience, man. How do you have 1 year of experience but you got multiple jobs? Any of my jobs after, yeah, so you've had like multiple jobs. The way you worded it, man, made it sound like you had like 6 jobs in your career. Or 4 jobs or something, man. Anyways, but that's good. Nice. First job after boot camp, then went to go CS degree, then got another job after 6 months. Dang, that's crazy. You get headhunted with basically no experience or 1 year or something, you know. Did they know you personally or something like that, you know? Best endpoints to a dictionary. Man, this problem is too hard. This problem is way too hard for me. Should I just look at the answer again for this problem? Some people are luckier than others or have connections. Or both. Praise the Lord. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Keep trying. All right, smart coder. I'll try for a little bit, man. SQB7781. What are you talking about, man? Pre-process all substrings. So I can do that. How do I do that? I'm really struggling because this is 10 to the fourth. That's 10,000. So the way I'm thinking is like n squared for that, which will TLE. That's why I'm like not sure what to do. I think XOR has a cumulative property. Yeah, I don't think that's the issue here that I'm having. I just don't know how to generate all these substrings, man. I can't think of a great way to do that. Yeah, so I feel like to give up. I'm not gonna lie. Tomo Mami, how are you doing? Isn't the string you are after the C in Smart Coder's equation? Yeah, that is the string I'm after. But I don't know. I think I'm just gonna look at the solutions, man. I'm wasting too much time. Should I hit up Votru back? I'm gonna hit Votru back, man. Man, so he does an n squared. How is this not timeout? Like, this is the only way I could think about doing it, you know? But I just thought it would not be fast enough. Maybe I'm like not too, like, there's been so many times where I don't pursue a solution because I think it's not fast enough. Like, I think on Monday there was one where we just had to try every single chunk in one of the problems, and I thought it would have timed out, so I didn't even bother, you know? And then I thought this would have timed out. Oh wait, it's not n squared though. I was wrong with my calculations. I see. I understand what's happening. I'm just terrible at math. Alright, I can solve it now. I can solve it. I didn't even read all of Votrubac's solution. I just looked at that first part. So the XOR left and right, you find a substring that matches the answer. XOR the left and right. Oh, you mean like, oh, the left, this, yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's implement this dang thing, man. I can do it now. So I'm just going to iterate through everything, do a little dang thing like this. I gotta modify this. So they say only go up to 30 numbers. So I guess I'll do that. And then we need to keep track of every number and the L and R. So I guess I can just represent that either as a pair, I guess, or something else. I'll use a pair. So I iterate through, and how do I build this number up? It's like multiply it by 2, and you add the current number. How do I do that, man? Can I do a ternary like that, or should I just be like, Wraith Kaiser in the house? How you doing, man? Long time no see. Urinator 78. Thank you very much for the follow. Nice name. Smart Coder wants to do a little type racer. As soon as I figured out the dang solution to this thing, we're gonna do a little type racer. I guess that's for Wraith Kaiser, man. One of the fastest typers I know. Alright, let's do it, man. Let's do the type racer, and then I'm gonna come back and slay this problem up after I just looked at the solution. Here we go. Y'all ready? I just got done with 6 exams. If I have time after my internship, I might stream LeetCode. Man, I think everybody should stream LeetCode. I actually kind of want to make a video about why you should stream LeetCode. Should I talk about it right now, man? Let's do this type racer first. Yeah, I got the link right here. Also, welcome Shartha Bai. Welcome to the party. So the first race is a warm-up. The second race is the championship round. Here we go, man. I'd like to know why. Wait, what do you mean? Why your username is nice? Because it made me say something that I wasn't trying to say. And I didn't catch it until I said it. Yeah, no condom Chris is out here, one of the fastest typers. There's so many fast typers out here, man. Alright. Here we go. It's going down, man. I mean, why everyone should stream LeetCode. Alright, I'll answer that after the championship race. I gotta focus for the championship race. Championship race about to begin. It's a big race. Dang, Wraith Kaiser just coming up in here. Been AWOL for a while, coming up and taking that crown. Easy work, man. Wraith Kaiser coming for his crown like it's nothing. Dang, 122 for Wraith Kaiser. Easy championship. Jeez. Just gonna do us like that, man. That's crazy. Wraith Kaiser. Is that how you spell it? Wait, what was it? 123? Oh yeah. Dang, 10-time champ. 1, 2. Dang, your last championship was over a year ago. Isn't that insane? That is insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 championships. That was your 10th one. All right. Pankaj, congrats on 73, man. I also saw, I saw Pat's Hello World in there. Anyways. All right. The question was, type faster, tipsy. Glump, I didn't even see what you did, man. All right, why everyone should stream LeetCode? You should stream LeetCode because what are my reasons usually? All right, first, I started to stream LeetCode because I wanted to practice articulating my thought process as I'm solving problems. And people say, yeah, you should talk to a rubber duck or something like that. But man, if I'm trying to talk to a dang rubber duck, it just feels so weird. And I can't do it. So I much rather turn on the stream, go live, and there's like real people watching. So that makes me, it like simulates a interview environment a little bit more than a dang rubber duck on your desk. So that's like reason number one why I started to stream, to just practice articulating my thought process. A second reason why you should stream LeetCode is the accountability, man. When I say I'm going to stream and I tell that to everybody and everybody knows, it makes me feel like I got to show up, man. But if I'm just streaming, or if I'm not streaming, I'm just studying LeetCode by myself in my room, and I tell myself I'm going to study LeetCode tomorrow at 9 p.m. and then tomorrow at 9 p.m. comes around, I can easily be like, man, I'm going to just go play some video games instead. So it's like that accountability definitely makes you want to do it a little bit more. Another reason I think you should stream LeetCode is like, you get all these LeetCode nerds telling you how to do things maybe more efficiently. They tell you some tricks you never even knew. They'll like help you. So many people on this stream have helped me to grow to where I'm at today. When I first started to stream, I couldn't do so many problems. Like I didn't even know how to BFS. I didn't know how to use a queue. I didn't know how to traverse a graph, man. But so many people like helped me throughout the process, showed me the ways, and it really helps me grow. And another reason I think you should stream LeetCode is if you've never practiced speaking or like giving talks or whatever, like you should practice even more, or you should like stream even more, because when you're in an interview, they're checking for your communication skills, they're checking for your problem solving abilities, and they're just like vibe checking you also. So I think when you do stream, you kind of learn how to roll with the punches. As chat types some stuff to you, you got to respond, and you have to be a little bit more personable. So I feel all of these things are a great way to practice for interviews. It's almost like a cheat code, man, because I don't think like 10 years ago, this wasn't, streaming LeetCode wasn't a thing, you know, but these days it is. And I don't think many people are doing it. So I feel if you stream LeetCode and you're practicing every day and you're always talking out your thought process, You're gonna have so many reps of doing that. It's basically like every time you stream, it's like 2 or 3 mock interviews. And if you did that for a few months, by the time your training camp is over, you've done hundreds of mock interviews, maybe even thousands of mock interviews. And when you go into that real interview, you're gonna have more experience interviewing than 99% of all other candidates, and it gives you a great advantage right there. You might not be as good at algos as them, but man, you're gonna outshine in like just talking out your thought process. And that's all the reasons why you should stream LeetCode. And I think also the community aspect is really nice. There's already like a Twitch community on LeetCode going on right now. So if you just turn on your stream and you put LeetCode in the title, instantly you're gonna have 5, 10, 15 people check you out and like see what's up. So it's an easy way to just join the community and be like a prominent figure in the community. So like Glump has just started to stream. If y'all don't know Glump, you should check him out. He's really good. He's like a super guardian on LeetCode. So I think the more people stream, the better it will be for the community, but you also gain a lot of benefits from doing it too. And it's like you can go to the gym alone and try and pump iron and get swole, but man, I don't think Arnold trained alone by himself in his room with nobody there to push him, or anybody who's going to like reach high places. They all practice with other people, man, whether it's in sports or LeetCode or studies or whatever, man. People who practice together usually get further than somebody who's a lone wolf, you know? So that's what I feel like. Even like Usain Bolt, man, or all them fast people, all them top sports people, they all train with other people who are just as dedicated to the cause as they are. And that's how you push each other and all that stuff, man. So Urinator78, that is why I think everybody should stream LeetCode if you're trying to get good at LeetCode for interviews or whatever, you know? All right. I understand what you speak, although I don't speak much English. Your English is very easy to understand. Thank you very much. I'd say I spent a lot of time living in other countries where I have to like speak kind of slow and stuff, you know. Alone Will, what's happening? What's the name of the person you just mentioned? He's streaming LeetCode too. Man, Glump1. I'm about to link you the profile right now. On there. Everybody knows Glump around here, right? All right. I'm thinking about becoming a LeetCode VTuber. Would you recommend for sure? Tomo Mami. You should stop thinking about it and just start doing it, man. Especially if you're gonna be a VTuber, ain't nobody gonna know who you are. So who cares, man? Just turn it on and whatever. Just have fun with it, you know? Maybe one day you can even do a face reveal when you start to feel more comfortable. Even I've been planning to stream LeetCode Pank Aj. I think, man, I would be so hyped if you did that for sure. I've been a serial keyboard looker my whole life. Wait, what? A serial keyboard looker? Oh, wait, I see. I just started doing 30 minutes of touch typing practice every day, trying to get my skills up. Yeah, it works, man. All right. That is all. So let's go back to that dang problem I couldn't figure out how to do. Let me try and solve it. So what was I doing, man? Oh yeah, so this is my current number, and then I just need to put that in my map. So like if we haven't seen it, then we should insert it, right? And I guess it goes from I to J. And then, oh yeah, we gotta probably do something about this where something like that maybe. And then now we just iterate through all the queries, find our target, and look in the map. So what is our target? Target is gonna be that, and then so if it's not there, then wait, let me build my answer thing. It's fun to do LeetCode with you on stream, man. On Cone, thank you very much. I think it's fun to do LeetCode with everyone here on stream. If I try and LeetCode by myself, man, it ain't happening. I'm giving up in like an hour or less. I applied to G job, no response. I ain't gonna lie, man. I think it's pretty hard to get in right now unless you are in like Brazil, India, or like Poland or something. I'm thinking about quitting my tech job and start a career as a TikTok dancer. Man, I think that is a viable career, man. If you got them dance moves, you can do it. Yeah, or TikTok about to get banned. Yeah, offshoring is real, man. It's happening. There we go, there we go. Man, this problem is hard though. Let me see if I implemented that correctly. Nah. Man, should I just change this to a vector so I could just push it back without doing crazy things? Oh lordy. Something ain't right. Let me debug. My ADHD meds make me so depressed. What do you take for ADHD? Are you talking about Adderall? Or something? Or Vyvanse or whatever? One, two, so that should be 101. Wait, 1, 2. Target is 3. Oh, 3's there. Multiply it by 2. You add something. Man, I don't know where I messed up, but I gotta do a little bit of debugging. What is that, man? Is C++ your preferred language, or do you switch it up often? No, I just do C++. Man, how come I didn't get 5? And how come 3 is 0 and 1? That doesn't sound right at all. So that's 1. Wait, 0. So that should be 1 right there. And then 2. Oh man, that should be J. Come on, man. Come on. But it's still wrong. Oh, I see what's happening. So I guess leading zeros, I gotta find a way to get rid of them. I'm gonna be like int how do I get rid of these leading zeros? Maybe like that. Send it. Oh, I didn't take out that print statement. Oof. It ain't right though. Oof. It looks, I see what's happening. Maybe that should fix that. I just watched Glump's VODs. That man is a genius. Yeah, he is, I think, literally a genius. There's a few genies. There's a few genies up in this stream. I'd say Glump is one. Got Bet Simp. There's Chi Impact. Chi Impact is on break right now. Man, there's like Raxo Sabe, there's Numbers, there's Brett, there's so many. Midnight Simon is not one of them. But I'm not dumb, that's for sure. But I'm nowhere a genius, man. A genius is like a real smart person. I'm just like normally smart, you know. I struggle with this situation. I quickly know which algorithms can help me to solve the question, but end up missing a small part of question that changed while solution. Any reco? Alone will. I think if you can identify what algorithm to use, but you can't get the accept on the problem, that's a good sign, man. That means you got the chops for LeetCode, but maybe you haven't practiced enough, and it just means you got to practice a little bit more. You got to practice implementing your ideas. It sounds like you can't transfer your ideas to code that easily, or maybe you have some troubles with that, you know. But I think that's like a good problem to have, because all you got to do is do more LeetCode. Anyways, I'm happy I got this problem. This one was really hard. I think this problem feels harder than the rating said it was. They said it was, well, I guess 1959 is pretty high. All right, maybe we got time for one more problem. So let's do it big. Let me hit a 2K. 2093. I think I just did this problem, man. I think this is a Dijkstra's or something. Yeah. So let's do a different one. Whew. This is exactly the feedback I got from my Google interview. Dang. You got feedback from your interview. That's insane, man. I thought big companies like Google don't give feedback because of fear of like lawsuits and whatnot. Path Z, thank you very much for the follow. All right, let's try a number of ways to arrive at destination. Whew. Solve this one too, man. Let me see when I solved it. Solved it a year ago and I struggled big time. So let me try it again. You are in a city that consists of n intersections numbered from 0 to n-1 with bidirectional roads between some intersections. The inputs are generated such that you can reach any intersection from any other intersection and that there is at most one road between any two intersections. You're given an integer n and a 2D integer array roads where roads I equal uv time means that there's a road between intersections u and v that takes time minutes to travel. You want to know in how many ways you can travel from intersection 0 to intersection n-1 in the shortest amount of time. Return the number of ways you can arrive at your destination in the shortest amount of time. Since the answer may be large, return it mod prime number. 28%, dang. You said music stream in New York. Yeah, I say a lot of things, Steven Sagiball. And sometimes I don't do everything I say. Okay, so I'm thinking Dijkstra's to get the shortest path, and then I'm thinking DP to find the number of ways. So can I do that? Let me try and just get the shortest path first. I should be able to pump out Dijkstra's pretty quickly. Let me see if I can remember it though. So there's that many nodes and we have the edges. Let's create our adjacency list or something. How do I do that? This is my adjacency list of size n. Let's iterate through all my roads. And I'm gonna say, I'm gonna just source, destination, and weights. So then it's bidirectional. So then adjacency list, source. Yeah, so that means we push them back to both things. And then what else do we need for Dijkstra's? I guess we need like distances. Set it to maximum. What else do we need? We need a priority queue. What else do we need? We need to set distances 0 to 0 maybe. And then we should probably push our 0 node to our priority queue. So this is weights and node. All right, how does Dijkstra's work now? So we just run this while there's something in our priority queue. is it pq.top? So that's the node that we're at. I guess we can be like, if man, how do I do this? If this is greater than equal, maybe greater than, I'm not sure. How does it work? So I guess we need to iterate to all its children. Ooh, but it has a, what should I call this? New weights and child. Or not new weight. I should call it child weight. Man, should I call this weight? I should probably call this distance. Because it's not the weight. It's like the distance accumulated so far. And I should just call this weight. And then we iterate through all of the things, all the children for that node. And our new weight is gonna just be the weight plus the distance, and then we can say if the new weight is better than what we got so far, then we should add it to our priority queue, right? And update the distance. And then I guess that will find the best path to the n-1 node. So now that we have the best, should I test that, see if it works? Then we have to like find out how many ways there are to reach the end. Was it push? Wait. So my thing doesn't even get there, man. Maybe there's a bug. There's a bug. Man, what the hell? That doesn't even make any sense. Does this make sense? Let me think. Okay. So they say 7 minutes is the shortest. So that's what we got. All right. So now I think my Dijkstra's is okay. Now I need to figure out how many ways to get to the end in 7 minutes. I think I can do that part now. So I suppose I can create a lambda for that. I'll call that DP. And what do I need here? Maybe the node. Do I have to mod it? It said, yeah, I gotta mod it. But Rex or somebody says I should always use a const for this thing. Const expression? How does that? I don't even know what the syntax is. I'm gonna just leave it like that. So how are we gonna do this dang DP function? I guess I don't know, man. Let me look at what the weights are. Can this overflow? Will I overflow? Yeah, I think this is gonna overflow because I've been burnt by this so many times where the time is a billion. So if it's like, how are you gonna add up a billion plus a billion plus a billion and have it not overflow? So I guess I should make this long. And I should make this long. Right? Alright, so these long things are fixed. Now, how do I find how many ways, man? I just gotta... I'm thinking like, so let me try and say what's going through my mind. I'm thinking, can I have the weights in here, in my state here, or is it gonna be like too much state? Like, I don't even know how to represent this to cache it. Maybe I'd have to create like a map and some type of key with the weight and the node. Figure out like how many ways or something. Or is there like another way to do this? Alright, I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna try it. So if this is equal to n minus 1, that means we're at the last node. And we should check if the weight is equal to the best. I guess we can just return that. Or maybe we'll only reach here if it's within range, so maybe we can just return 1. And then now, I guess we want to like iterate through all the children. And if we can go down that path, we should, right? Oh, I have 2 weights. Maybe I should name that current weight or current distance or just distance. I don't know, man. Current distance. So if that is within range, then we should try it. Future distance? Wait, what am I naming future distance? This? Alright, I can do that. And then we just, well, I guess we have to mod it. I don't know, man. I haven't cached this. How would I even cache it? I guess on... uh-oh. Jesus. So return DP. Let's see if I get the right answer and then I'll cache it. Alright, that is the right answer. So maybe I'll just use... Dang, I don't know how to do this, man. I usually just make a bootleg ass key with a string. Maybe I'll... Should I long it? Nah, I don't need to do that. Alright, let me make a bootleg key. So key would be like toString X. So if we find that, then we should just return that. Will that work? Python's cache OP. What's happening, Pat? All right, let's see if this can get the AC, man. The last time it took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tries to get the AC. And this time it took me... Time limit exceeds. Yeah. I don't know how to deal with this part, man. So, like, man, I didn't even pass that many test cases. Let me think. Pat and I left the stream at the same time. Done with that stream. What? Yeah, what stream? I don't know if I can advertise, man. You just advertised it in some ways. Man, how do I get maybe this DP stuff? Ain't the right answer. Man, BetSynth, you're making me want to go investigate, man. Anyways. So, I probably had the same problems the first time I tried to do this problem. And I'm doing the same things again. How can I find the number of ways more efficiently? It was a hot tub LeetCode crossover stream, man. What the hell? I need a hot tub? Yeah, maybe. Streamer was a hairy 30-year-old. Sounds like me. But I'm not that hairy. Only on my head. Number of ways, time to exceeded. Okay, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Maybe it's time to exceeds because, all right, man, let me get that test case. Is it actually long? It's only 13 nodes, so I'm thinking like, I don't think this should have time that exceeds with 13 nodes. Should it? Maybe I'm like going to visit the parent when I shouldn't. Should I add a parent here? And then like, no, wait. Because I already have, let me think. So if I'm at 0, I go to 1. Yeah, I don't want to go back. So if this equal parent, should I just continue? Oh wait, messed up. It's not even gonna compile, man. All right, let's see. If this doesn't work, I'm all out of ideas, man. I don't think it's gonna work. But I got further. I got a little bit further with that. All right, what else can I try and do? What can I do, man? At that length, maybe an extra ON snuck in somewhere. What do you mean? This feels, oh yeah, OBS. I was just thinking about that problem where it was like, you have to find all the edges on the shortest path. But yeah, maybe it is something like that. So I think my Dijkstra's is okay. But I think like this is timing out because the weights, there's just too many weights to be going on in there, and then I'm not getting any cache hits. So maybe what I really need to do is like just try and figure out all the paths along the best path. But I forgot how to do that, man. So I think this cache thing, the weights are just too high for that, maybe. I think it's a small fix. I don't know what to do, man. There's at most one road between any two intersections. I think maybe I have to track my path during my Dijkstra's. I just don't remember how to do that, man. Oh wait, I guess X and parent are both ON, but then current distance might be... Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying, Glump. For sure, caching on the distance is just too, like, yeah, not enough cache hits. So I don't know how to get around that. Let me think. Do I even need it? Maybe I don't need it, huh? It doesn't feel right if I just take it out. But I'll see. I think it's gonna give me a wrong answer, but let me see what's up. So maybe I can cache on the parent parent X thing is what you're saying. But I don't get that. Let me try it. No, incorrect. Maybe it's not DP is what I'm thinking, but should I look at some topics? Maybe it is top sort. How the hell? Top sort, man. HypixF, thank you very much for the follow. So top sorts. The hell is going on? I guess you start from node 0. And then we go to the next nodes. So now we're at 1, 4, 6. No, yeah. But this can't go anywhere, so that's a dead end. This goes there and there. No. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm read a hint. Alright, I already got that hint. A lot of the wrong paths might be less than the best, but you are still check those ones. Well, no, I have this thing here where we only go into it if it's less than. Oh, wait. Yeah. I see what you're saying, Obes. So maybe you're saying this should be like something like that. But would that always be true? I don't know, I'm about to give up. I think somebody definitely helped me solve it the last time. Man, what the hell? Overflow. Oh, we got far this time. 200. Jeez, hold up. Dang, look at that. How are we gonna overflow like that? Come on, man. Jesus Christ. Obes, you are a genius or something. How did you know that? Problem number. It is... Here we go. Also, no ads. Yeah. Interesting, Obes. Thank you for that insight. Made sense, but man, such a small tweak made such a big difference, man. But you're absolutely right. I was going down so many unnecessary paths. Well, that feels good to get that one. Although I think it did give me a lot of trouble still. So, how did I do today's daily? Let me see. I forgot what the daily was already. Oh yeah, I use a priority queue. Yeah, so I put everything in a priority queue or a heap, and then as I counted children, I incremented it so I know how many to decrement the current top child. Because everyone we pick, we decrement all the others by 1. So how many picked will be like how many we should decrement the next top child or the next top happiness. So that's how I did it. Priority queue. Yeah, I don't think you needed a priority queue here. I think we could have just sorted. And yeah, should we try and do that with sourcing instead? And then maybe we don't need how many picked. And then I'm gonna just say, I'm gonna rename this, man. So happiness I minus I. No, that didn't work. Wait, how come that didn't work, man? Oh, wait. because I gotta check if it's yeah. I made this mistake on the contest, man. Kranos Art, thank you very much for the follow. Preet Patel, favorite NYC borough. Man, I guess I'd have to say Brooklyn because that's the only one I really know. Yeah, so we don't need a priority queue, but there it is without the priority queue. But is it slower than the other solution? A little bit, for some reason. Anyways. Man, should I post this solution? I've been feeling lazy about posting my solutions, man. So, anyways, 15 minutes left. What should I do? Should I just chill? I think I solved enough problems today. It's lots of hard ones. Only post it if it's high quality. I think that's pretty high quality. Man, maybe should I try and get the LeetCoder of the month again? I was LeetCoder of the month for like June 2022 or something like that. That's like the highlight of my career. Feature upgrade. Elevate your coding practice with my list. Hello LeetCoders, we're excited to announce an upgrade to one of your favorite tools, My List. This enhancement is designed to help you organize, manage, and share your favorite LeetCode questions more effectively. Check out the feature now. I didn't even see this. You gotta get a third shirt somehow, man. Let me see how many coins I got. $34 Not even close. Everyone's favorite tool, the dang My List. What would I do without My List, man? I would love to meet whoever is in charge of LeetCode. Like, I'd love to meet the team or who decides like what features to work on, man, because geez, I think there's like big discrepancy between what the people want and what they work on, you know? That's easy. Nothing gets worked on. BetSimp. That's not true, man. They worked on the dynamic layout for like 2 years. They worked on My List for who knows how long. Just more problems to ignore once they get added there. Yeah, that's what I do with My List for sure. What he really means is meets the people who mess up the contest. Now, I think the people who set the contest are not the people who work on the features for LeetCode. I think those are two separate people, you know? LeetCode is gonna hire me? Nah. LeetCode doesn't want me, man. We are meeting the team, man. Maybe BetSimp's gonna meet that team up. I ain't trying to meet that team like that, man. I'm trying to MEET that team. BetSimp's trying to MEAT that team. Whatever that means. Anyways. So what is this feature, man? We can customize my list to suit your needs. Personalize your problem list by setting your own list name. Jesus. What a crazy feature. Cover and description. What? This is what they're working on, man. Save, fork, and share your lists. All right, that's not bad. But it's all fluff, man. They gotta put me in charge of figuring out some features. Turn on stream and oh man, Pat's Hello World, what have you been doing lately, man? Arik in the house. Arik, when we're gonna meet up, man? How are you feeling? Is your back okay now? Preet Patel from YouTube. How was vacation? Vacation was good. I think it was very nice, man. I had a good time hanging out with my family. I showed my brother around. My brother was not born in Jamaica, but I think he's, you know, still Jamaican because he's of Jamaican blood. So it was good for him to go back to the homeland and see what it's all about. But it's not his first time there. But it was his first time there with me, you know. All the other times he goes with like old people or people that probably won't show him around. Anyways, 2024 Amy 2, what is that, man? What are y'all talking about? Fix, oh, that's nice. LeetCode developers have gone. I mean, they're well regarded in the community. Highly regarded in the algorithms community. Your brother had a good trip? Yeah, I think he did, man. Aren't you an old person? Dang, son. I'm not that old yet. All good LeetCoders equal good at math, good at TFT. Is that so? I've never played that game, man. But I've been playing... What have I been... Man, I've been wanting to play Manor Lords, but I haven't bought it yet. But I did buy Hades 2 last night. And what else have I been playing, man? I think that's it. I mean, I've been playing a little bit of Slay the Spire. And still playing Helldivers? Nah, I don't even think I can play that anymore, man. They took that shit away from us. Mozade 007 was popping. Auto Bachelor. Yeah, I've never played it. Oh, they brought it back? They went back on what they said. Interesting, man. You know, Sony has ruined so many games for me in my life. Well, I only know one game. When I was like 11 years old or something, 12 years old maybe, I used to play this game called Infantry Online. That game used to be my whole life. That game was like the best thing that ever happened to me growing up, by far. You know, I was so into that game. I used to play it all day, every day. That was my first guild that I was in, my first real online friends that I had. And then one day Sony bought the game from, I think, whatever studio made it. I think like Harmless something was the name. And then they just made it pay to play, and then they ruined everything, and then they shut down the game, man. And that was probably the most depressed I've ever been when that happened. Are you in Code Forces? Nah, man. I don't do Code Forces. Code Forces is a little bit above me. What's your favorite movie? Man. Gladiator for sure. Also Top Gun for sure. Also Saving Private Ryan for sure. I can't decide on those three. Sony has a way of destroying games sometimes. It really sucks. Yeah, I don't know who's calling the shots at Sony, man. Original Top Gun? Yeah, for sure. I think original Top Gun is better than the new Top Gun. Maybe because I don't know. I don't know why. But it feels nicer. Especially for the time it was made in, you know. Oh, WMW. What's happened? Thoughts on Marley's movie? I haven't seen... Are you talking about Bob Marley? I haven't seen it yet. But I will probably watch it. Maybe I'll watch it on the airplane to Zurich when I fly there. I'm not a really big movie person, man. I think I watched 70% of the movies that I've seen, I watched them on airplanes. Sony will not make a Bloodborne 2 or even PC port for Bloodborne 1. Never even played those games, but I've heard of them. What's up? I'm here to learn a lot. I'm on my newbie stage in problem solving, so hope to be refined by staying here. Mozaid 007. I think you will be better by not just staying here, but also joining all the other LeetCode streamers. I don't have a super updated list, but I think Enrosis, Real Raymond Jones, Pat's Hello World, BetSimp. I haven't seen Rocco Codes in a while. B Becca, I haven't seen him in a while. Lead Coach, I think, still streams, and maybe Larry NY every now and then. Chichi Impact is on break, and who knows where Arik is, man. Arik is joking around out there. And WMW, thank you very much for the follow. Bloodborne was pretty good. I've never played any of the Souls games either. Maybe I should try. Yeah, Mozaid. It's a pleasure to have you in this community, man. Everybody starts somewhere, so don't feel any way about being a newbie, you know. Everybody was there at one point, and I think people like to help other people in this community. So as long as you're trying to do it yourself or help yourself, I think if you show up every day or often, if you show up consistently, people will come and people will help you out, man. You're gonna have so many people trying to teach you and motivate you that, man, I gave a little speech early on why you should stream. Maybe I'm not trying to repeat the same thing again, but you should try and stream LeetCode, basically. Arik, oh man, Rohodom, what you doing spending all that cash? My Discord is walled off. It's a pay to play, but Robodom just bought a free pass for everybody in chat right now. I guess that means everybody in YouTube chat also. So Robodom is super lucky. I mean, not super lucky. Y'all are super lucky that Robodom is so rich. Could have just gave me them delicious points. Q wants $1 million, man. That's for sure. Anyways, man. Has anybody played Manor Lords? That's what I need to know right now, because I think maybe when I get back from Zurich, I'm gonna buy that game. But for now, I guess I'll be playing Hades 2. I don't know. What should we do? Should we just end stream? Should I just chill for a couple more minutes? Pankaj, adios, amigo. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you later. Enjoy class. I Miss Live 2014. Thank you very much for the follow. When's your Peloton coming? Man, Robodom. I spent months trying to figure out how to spell the dang Peloton word. I was like, Peloton. But now that I bought one, I know it's Peloton. You know? But yeah, it's coming on Friday. But every time I Googled it, I always misspelt it because it's such a weird word, man. I don't even know what does Pelo mean. Like, how did they come up with that name? I don't speak Latin. Least one, come on now. It's basically buying it, man. Yeah, kinda. I'm renting it. Man, come on now. Peloton redeems. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on stream. It's the big pack of people in a bike race for sure. Wait, what? Big pack of people in a bike race. It's called a Peloton. Yo, look at that. That's crazy. Did y'all see that AI generated content on Google search? How insane is that, man? Y'all should definitely be using Google search out there for all of your AI needs. Just French for little ball or platoon. The Peloton is also known as the field, bunch, or pack. Oh, that's why they call it the power pack or something. Riders in the Peloton ride together in formation to save energy, similar to a flock of birds. I didn't know. Dang, I didn't know that a flock of birds flew together to save energy, man. I thought they just did that because it looks cool. Anyways, man, it's time for me to get out of here. Did Google rip off ChatGPT? Come on now. ChatGPT got it from Google. Everybody knows that. I thought birds just like to hang out and gossip. Maybe. It's barred unless they change the name. Yeah, I don't even know what it's called anymore, man. I think it's like Gemini 1.5 Ultra Max Super crazy. All right. It's time to go, man. Who we gonna raid? Are we gonna raid? Oh, wait, is this is this the dang stream that BetSimp and Pat's Hello World is coming from? Or have you ever personally met any other LeetCode streamer? Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, I know B-Becco. B-Beck and I knew each other before any of us started to stream. I've met Steven Code Stuff. I've met Chi Impact. I've met Not Gentle. I've met Enrosis. I've met is that it? I've met Melky Dev. He used to stream LeetCode way back before he worked at Twitch. Yeah, I think that's it. Q? No, I haven't met Q, unfortunately. All right. Should we raid this guy? Kamza? Is he picking his nose? What is he doing? He's doing some SQL problem? It's crazy. He's one of the few people that was in my stream a long ago though. Wait, who are you talking about? Me? Anyways, let's raid Kamzo. Looks like he just started his YouTube thing. Or his... Man, but he has followers only chat, man. I don't know if I can get behind that, you know? Anyways, I gotta go, so let's just do it. You can follow him if you want. See y'all next time, I guess, this weekend. Is there a double contest this weekend? There might be. Anyways, Q Ultimus. Adios, Robodom. Take care. Icy Black Deep. See you next time. Nap Cat. Bye. Sergeant Pepper. See you later. Franco de Mice. Adios, amigo. Pats. Hello, world. Have a good night. Mose 007. Smart Coder. Have a good night. WMW. See you later. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bet Simp. Adios, amigo. Plus Elo this weekend for sure, man. I don't know, man. Things have been tough lately for me. 39 points to Glory. Who's Glory? Wait. How did I even see my pro? Anyways, adios, everybody. I'm out of here. Tater07, thank you very much for that follow. Oh, for 20... Wait. 39 points. I don't know what you're talking about. 40 ounces. Anyways, see you later, YouTube.